hope each and everyone is doing well and good. And it is me, Dr. Amrita here. Yes, you see a change in my background, isn't so? Yes, actually, I am here in my shop actually. So in Sundays, I used to come. In my previous video, you have seen that I have started an Ice Bay franchise, one ice cream shop also. So being a doctor, yes, it's not been said that we can do only that profession, but I really love to do some other thing also along with my profession. Because of that, I just started an Ice Bay franchise along with my mom's sister. So I hope you have seen the previous videos, I think. So why am I put this video? This is all about today's video, and this is going to be a last video regarding the stray vacancy, guys. And I have got my tab and we just discuss all those things so fast, and I'm soon wind up this video. So yes, today February 16th is going to be very crucial because at 3 p.m. is going to be the deadline of everything. Yes, I will discuss about that, and I have got my tab and we will be discussing about all those things. Okay. Yes, All India Counseling round 4 stray round, the payment facility is going to be end on the 16th February, that is at 3 p.m. The choice filling and the locking is going to end by the 16th February, that is 11:55 p.m. That's all today. And yes, what about the results, guys? Just yeah, round 4 stray vacancy result is going to get published on 19th, and yes, joining starts on 20th, and everything is going to end on 28th of February. This NEET 2024, all those allotments and everything is going to end by this 28th of February. And I'm so happy that so many of them messaged me and saying that they got a desired branch. They're so happy. See, this all happens. And also I want to say that, guys, I received so many messages, and they were still now they were asking me what is the payment and everything. So, do you want to pay the extra? When you analyze the previous year, what is happening? If you didn't got a seat in the mop-up or R3, you can automatically participate in the stray vacancy. You don't want to pay extra, but you want to give all those choice filling and everything is new. And what is about this crucial about the stray vacancy means, if you get a seat, yes, of course you want to pick up that seat. If you didn't pick up that seat, you get debarred for 3 years. So give options wisely and bravely. And also I will say that some part, yes, there is luck is also playing a role here, but not purely luck, but also yes, somewhat luck is also there. So please don't lose your hope. This is not going to be the end of the game or end of the life, because we are all doctors. We want to move forward. If you didn't get a seat, don't lose the hope. Yeah, next time you can do it. Yes, anyway, you are a superb doctor. Yeah, you are just adding your degree. That's all that. And also, I know so many of them. Again I'm saying that in my previous video, they were just waiting for this stray vacancy, because miracles do happen in stray vacancy. I will give an example. Yes, you all know that I'm from Kerala. When you check this Kerala, this round 3, that is round 3 result, what happened is a guy who got a rank around 29,000. Actually, that's in Irava. That was a category reservation. They got admitted to this Trivandrum Medical College for orthopedics, and for 24,000 range got orthopedics in Thrissur, and that is when state merit seat. So this all happens. And while looking at the previous 5 years of analysis, if you look that this haven't at now, this didn't happen anywhere else. That too in the mop-up. We have seen in stray vacancy in the previous videos, I have already said that 11,000 actually got NT dermatology. That's to a reservation seat, that is in Irava. And 16,000 state merit also got very good clinical branches. This too happened in stray vacancy. When you check the previous list, you can see that in the mop-up, this time mop-up miracles happened. So we cannot predict what is actually going to happen the stray vacancy. Of course, miracles definitely happen. So what is a key point means, always give those branches, like if you love like ENT, if your ENT is going to be a favorite, then just give all those ENTs at the top. So I know so many people, what they do is if they love radio, what they do is they give MS radio in Trivandrum. Suppose they give Trivandrum, then they give all other options. Then at last they will give this radio in Gujarat. So please don't never look at the places, because the branches is going to decide your future. always give importance to the branches. And also second one is bond, also very important, because I know so many colleges they do have 10-year bond, like in Assam, just cross check. So if you got 10-year bond, if you're a native, there is no issues, yeah. But if you're not a native and if you got like 10-year bond and if you're stuck with there, your life is going to be miserable, isn't so? So please look that and just do everything wisely. And please, again and again I'm saying that please be wise while giving the options. Please don't give randomly. Like I know so many of them, they will say like if I get that college, that branch, I will not pick up, but I'm giving simply, I want to just know whether I get it. See, this is not going to be that time. This is the time you want to pick up the exact branch and exact college. Why do you want to waste your 3 years? Yeah, no need. So just give all those options, like which your favorable branches, just give in the top, and the other things later you just give. So I, again and again, I will definitely pray for each and every one, all my subscribers, all my viewers who are just seeing this video. I seriously and sincerely pray from my heart, let God give you desired branches. And it's me, Dr. Amrita here. Thank you all for listening me. Thank you so much.